Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we'll talk about what is Moonbeam. So I'll explain everything about Moonbeam from beginning to end. So watch this video till the end. So this video is going to be little complex and in-depth video. So without skipping, watch this video till the end. So at the end of the video you'll come to know what is Moonbeam. I'll also talk about what is the difference between Polkadot and Kusama relay chain. So and we'll also discuss a couple of other things as well. And then before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. So let's begin the video, guys. So guys, first thing, what is Moonbeam? So Moonbeam is an Ethereum compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot. So if you read it like that, you may not be able to understand. So I'll explain you from the basics. We'll discuss something about Polkadot, parachain and other stuff. So then you'll be able to easily understand what Moonbeam does. So to begin with, I'll talk about the current existing cross-chain integration functionalities. So now Polkadot is a cross-chain compatible project. So why is it so? I'll explain that. So first thing, how is our existing cross-chain integration works? So that is currently happening through the token bridges. So which means in this example, let's take you have USDT, you want to use those tokens, you currently have them on Ethereum chain, but you want to use them on Binance Smart Chain. Then what will you do? You will go to the Binance bridge where you can convert your USDT from Ethereum chain to Binance Smart Chain. So in this example, if you see, this is a bridge. So on the left side, you have a token, which is USDT token on Ethereum blockchain, but you want to use them on Binance Smart Chain. Then what you will do? You will bring those tokens to the bridge. You will lock them in the bridge contract, and then bridge will mint new USDT tokens for number of tokens you locked, and it will be sending the same tokens to your Binance Smart Chain side of the wallet. So this is how the token bridge works. So now once you do the transactions on the Binance Smart Chain, if you want to get back those USDT to Ethereum chain, then again you have to come to the bridge. You have to send this token to the bridge burn contract. So once the tokens are burned, so if you burn 10 tokens, the same number of tokens will be unlocked on the Ethereum chain and you can claim them to your Ethereum wallet. So this is how current cross-chain integrations are working. So this sounds like cross-chain, but it is actually not a cross-chain, because what you are doing is you are sending your tokens to other chain and you are using them, and again you are sending back. But here both the Ethereum blockchain and Binance Smart Chain both are parallel lines, and they are not communicating with each other anyway. So now this problem, if you see this example, in this example you can see each blockchain is like an island, and each island is different and its own rules and its own transactions, but each island cannot interact with other island, or this Ethereum island may not be having any information about the Polkadot island. So that is the current problem in the current market situation. So this problem is solved through the Polkadot parachains. So that Polkadot is in short term, if you see, Polkadot is having a main relay chain. So if I'll explain this example. So here you can see this is a Polkadot basic skeleton. So this left one, which is a relay chain, is a main blockchain of the Polkadot ecosystem. On that we have multiple parachains. So each parachain is a different blockchain, and each parachain will have its own token. So now all these parachains are interconnected to each other with the help of this relay chain. So now in this example, if you see, each parachain is different, but each parachain can communicate with other parachain using this relay chain. So that makes Polkadot a cross-chain compatible blockchain, and that is how it is different from other or existing cross-chain models. So now we understood what a Polkadot network is. So now problem, what is the problem? So what is the main problem? So first thing is, we already have many projects or many developers available on Ethereum blockchain, and right now the problem here is Ethereum blockchain is completely congested. Gas transactions take a lot of time. Each transaction will take a lot of time and a lot of fees. These are the problems. Now to solve this problem, there are multiple blockchains, Algorand, Polkadot, Neo, Solana. So multiple blockchains have come up in last couple of years, which will solve this scalability issues. But the problem here is each blockchain development need a different blockchain or different language. So for example, if you see Ethereum blockchain, you can create a Ethereum based contract using the Solidity coding language. But if you want to code the same thing on Polkadot, again you have to learn Substack, because Polkadot works on Substack network and Substack coding language. So people have to again learn Substack, and then they can launch a project on Polkadot. So this is the current problem which is having the projects to migrate from Ethereum to Polkadot network. So now this problem will be solved by the with the help of our Moonbeam network. So what Moonbeam does is, so if you read this caption now you will understand. So an Ethereum compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot, which means whatever project. So if you see any DApp, so let's assume any DApp, so which is like Uniswap, SushiSwap, all the SushiSwap or whatever they are simple smart contracts. So all these DApps are nothing but smart contracts. So if you see SushiSwap Chef smart contract will be there, which will be handling all the functionalities of this particular DApp. So now what this Moonbeam does is, so all those different so for example, if you have a project already available and launched on Ethereum blockchain, you can bring that project to Polkadot network with minimal configuration changes in the coding or any other stuff, which means you just bring that coding to Moonbeam. So Moonbeam will deploy the same contract or same DApp on Polkadot network without any hassle. So that is the main use case of Moonbeam, and that is why it is a very huge project on the Polkadot ecosystem, which means, so the barrier which Polkadot ecosystem is facing right now is they don't have much developers on Solidity, on Substack. But if the project, for example, let's assume SushiSwap only. SushiSwap, if they want to launch on Polkadot, again SushiSwap has to form a team of they have to hire a developer team which can build on Substack. Again, they have to start from scratch and they have to develop the contract on Substack, and then they have to implement, then they have to test, then they have to fix the bugs, and then they have to go live. So that is a very, very long process. So to make it easy, Moonbeam will help you in that way. So just bring that smart contract and deploy on Moonbeam. Moonbeam will directly launch the project on Polkadot network. So this is a simple explanation of Moonbeam. So hope you guys understood. And if you see all the partnerships, there are already huge partners with this particular product like Ocean, SushiSwap. So once the Moonbeam is live on Polkadot, maybe we might see SushiSwap on Polkadot network as well. And we have multiple projects which are ready to launch like Injective Protocol, The Graph, and multiple other projects are already working with Moonbeam. So that is how strong this project is. Now if we talk about the tokens, so here comes the tricky part. So this particular Moonbeam is having two tokens. One is Glimmer and other is Moonriver. So that difference between these two tokens are, Glimmer's relay chain is Polkadot and Moonriver relay chain is Kusama. So now the question here comes is, what is the difference between this Polkadot and Kusama? So now I'll explain you in simple way. So let's assume you want to launch a project on Polkadot relay chain. So relay chain is a main blockchain of Polkadot ecosystem. So now if you want to launch a project on Polkadot relay chain, you cannot directly launch a project on Polkadot relay chain. So before that you have to go through 3 phases. So what are those phases? So this is the official website from this is the official page from the Polkadot network itself. So you can see the Polkadot launch, parachain rollout. So in this first stage is, if you want to launch a project on Polkadot relay chain, you have to be in the testnet rollout. So you testnet currently have like a Rokuku. So on this parachain you have to test your project, you have to work on the project, if you find any bugs, you have to fix those bug fixes, and then your project will be completed with the testnet rollout. After that you have to launch a project on Kusama parachain. So what is Kusama? So Kusama, the network is an experimental development environment for team who want to move fast and innovate on Kusama or prepare for development on Polkadot. So which means it's an experimental environment. So where you have to, before going to launch your project on Polkadot, you have to launch your project on Kusama and you have to test it properly, and then once it is working fine, then you can go to the next phase, which is the Polkadot parachain rollout. So once you completed these 2 phases, then only you will be eligible, or your project will be eligible to launch on Polkadot parachain, and then your project will be live on Polkadot ecosystem. So now if you see, currently Polkadot complete roadmap is in current stage of Kusama rollout and slot auction stage. So if you see, there are multiple slot auctions happening. So already currently 7th auction is going on. If you check this page, already 6 parachain auctions are completed. So first one is number 1 on this particular list is Moonriver. So Moonriver has achieved this Polkadot parachain slot, and now Moonriver is available. And then a recent one is a Kilt. Kilt is also going to be a huge project in the coming days. So Kilt is also in the 6th parachain slot. Now currently 7th parachain auction is going on. So in this, you basically users have to stake or lock certain amount of Kusama tokens for 48 weeks, and they will be receiving some incentive in the form of the native tokens in which they are supporting. So currently only Kusama auctions are going on. Next hottest thing will be Polkadot auctions. So Polkadot auctions, if you see now, no auctions on Polkadot yet, so which means soon we might find some Polkadot auctions. So once Polkadot auctions goes live, I will definitely say Polkadot token might move, might see upward trend definitely. So currently it is at $31. So if you have a good decent portfolio, definitely keep certain amount of your portfolio in Polkadot tokens. So I am holding some amount of Polkadot tokens for long term. So once this parachain auction starts on, if you see in the history, so Kusama auctions has started and Kusama price has pumped a lot. So now next thing will be Polkadot auctions, and Polkadot price might pump. So now already Moonriver is live on Kusama, and next they will also join on Polkadot with the same parachain auction. So now they have two tokens, as I said, Glimmer will be on Polkadot and Moonriver is on Kusama. So Moonriver is already listed and it's already live on Kusama blockchain. So I already posted one tweet during the Moonbeam launch day on 27th of August. So I mentioned that you have to grab these tokens after the listing because it's going to be top 100 coins soon. That's what I mentioned, and the token listing price was $5, and now you can see it is above $400. So it is a really huge pump. This is a very solid project. So now soon they will also launch their Glimmer token also. So Glimmer token also will be in top 100 soon, because this complete Moonbeam ecosystem is providing a use case to bring the projects from Ethereum to Polkadot network. So now if you see the investor backing, Binance Labs and Coinbase Ventures also invested in Moonbeam, which is like Pure Stake. Pure Stake is a company which developed this Moonbeam. So now definitely Binance and Coinbase will sooner or later list this Moonriver and Glimmer token on those exchanges. So definitely grab those Glimmer tokens when they are launched, once the token price is cooled down. And if you're looking for long-term hold, you can grab some Polkadot and wait for the Polkadot auctions as well. So that's all guys, that is all about today's video about Moonbeam, complete project overview and complete explanation. If you like this video, if you learned something new in this video, so definitely subscribe to this channel, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Jai Hind.